Namaste children, I am Hari Prasad, your chemistry teacher. Children, today's topic is balancing the chemical equations. Most of the children have the problem with balancing the chemical equations. So that's why we are doing that today. Right children? Now, the equations what I have taken is, the first one is something like this. Ammonia reacts with oxygen to produce nitrogen and water. How to balance this one? It's very simple children. Now, we'll start with which element, right? Common sense says that right hand side we have 2 nitrogen and left hand side we have 1 nitrogen. So what I'll do is that I'll put 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Nitrogen is balanced. Now, who is there with nitrogen? Hydrogen. It is. Now, 2 threes are what children? 6 atoms of hydrogen are there. Now on the right hand side we have how many? 2 ones are 2. Now common sense says that what number I have to put to make it 6? It is 3. 3 twos are 6 and 2 threes are 6. Even hydrogen is balanced. So who is there with hydrogen? Oxygen, right? Now 3 ones are 3. 3 atoms of oxygen are there. On the left hand side we have how many oxygen atoms? 2. Now how to make this 3? It's very simple. Nothing is there means it is understood that it is 1. 1 twos are 2. But we want how many? 3. Let me go to the next number. 2 twos are what children? 4. But we want how many? 3. What to do now? Very simple. I'll make this as what children? 1.5. 1.5 into 2 is what children? 3. 3, 3. Equation is balanced. Sir, but 1.5 is not allowed. No, it's not a whole number. Very simple. What you do is that you double this one. That is, multiply with what? 2. When I do that, 1.5 into 2 will become what children? 3. Sir, should I do only this one? Should I double only this one? No, no, no. The whole equation. Okay? When I do the whole equation, double of 3 will become what children? 6. Nothing is there means 1. Double of 1 is what? 2. And double of 2 is what children? 4. Now let us check whether the equation is balanced or not. 4 into 1 is what? 4. 2 2s are 4, right? 4 into 3 is what? 12 hydrogens. 6 into 2 is what? 12 hydrogens, right? 3 2s are 6 oxygens. Then 6 into 1 is what? 6. So, equation is balanced. Hope you have understood this one children, right? Okay children, let us proceed with the next equation. Potassium dichromate reacts with HCl to produce KCl, CrCl3, water and a greenish yellow chlorine gas. How to balance this equation? Common sense says that 2 potassium atoms are there. That is 2 into 1 is what? Here we have what? 1. So I'll make it 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Right? Now who is there with potassium? Chromium is there. 2 ones are 2. But right hand side we have only 1. So I'll make it what? 2. Now who is there with chromium? Oxygen. How many are there? 7. 7 ones are 7. Here how many are there on the right hand side? 1. So what I'll do is that I'll put 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Oxygen is balanced. Now along with oxygen who is there? Hydrogen. 7 twos are 14. Here we have how many hydrogens? 1. So what I'll do is that I'll make it 14. So 14 ones are 14. 7 twos are 14. Hydrogen is also balanced. Now along with hydrogen who is there? Chlorine. 14 ones are 14, right? Now on the right hand side we'll just check the chlorine atoms. 2 ones are 2 here, 2 threes are 6 here, and in the last we have 2 chlorine atoms. Now altogether 6 plus 2 plus 2 is what? 10. But we want how many children? 14. So we have to increase the number of chlorine atoms. How to increase the number of chlorine atoms? Can I put any number here so that the chlorine atoms will increase? No, no, no. We cannot put any number here because when you change the number, even the number of potassium also changes. The same in case of this one also. The number of chromium atom also changes. So I cannot do any changes here to increase the number of chlorine atoms. So I am left out with only the last one, right? Now first, before I add some number, what I will do is that here 2, here 6. Altogether 8. Out of 14, 8 are here, right? I repeat, out of 14, how many are there? 8. 14 minus 8 is how much? Obviously it is 6. Now common sense says that what number I have to put here so that it will become 6. Everybody knows that it is 3. So it is 3 2s are what, children? 6. 6 plus 6 plus 2 is what? 14. So chlorine atoms are also balanced. So we'll just cross check once. 2K, 2K. 2Cr, 2Cr. 7 oxygen, 7 oxygen. 14 hydrogen, 7 2s are 14 hydrogen. 14 chlorine, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6 plus 2 is what? 14. So the equation is balanced. Hope you have understood this one, children. Okay, children, we'll proceed with equation 3. Potassium permanganate reacts with HCl to produce KCl, MnCl2, water and a greenish yellow gas Cl2. How to balance this one? It's very simple. When you just look at the equation, it is understood that potassium 1, balanced. Manganese 1, balanced. Oxygen 4, here we have how many oxygen? 1. So what I'll do is that I'll make it 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Oxygen is balanced. But along with oxygen, what we have, children? Hydrogen. 4 2s are 8. Here we have how many? 1. So that's why I'll multiply this how many times? 8 times. 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8. But here along with hydrogen, which atom we have? Chlorine. 8 1s are 8. On the right hand side, we'll just check it out. Here 1 chlorine, here 2 chlorines and here 2 chlorines. Now 1 plus 2 plus 2 is what? 5. Left hand side we have 8, right hand side we have 5. Can I put any number here or here to increase the chlorine atoms? No, I cannot do that. Even the number of potassium and manganese atom also changes. So I am left out with only this one because chlorine is alone. Now common sense says that 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Out of 8, how many are here? 3. Then how many more you want to make it 8? 5. Now common sense says that I have to multiply this with what number to make what, children? 5. So I'll put 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. But we want how many? 8. Okay, boss. Let me try with 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 plus 1. It will become what, children? 9. Boss, 2 is less, 3 is more. What I'll do? What I'll do is that I'll make it what, children? 2.5. 2.5 into 2 is what, children? 5. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 8. Now it's balanced. But the problem is that 2.5 is not a whole number. What to do? Just like how we did the previous equation. What? Double it. When I double it, double of 2.5 is what, children? 5. Should I double only this one? No, boss. We have to, the whole equation has to be multiplied with 2. When I do that, double of 4 will become what, children? 8. Nothing is there means 1. 1 into 2 is what? 2. Nothing is there is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 8 into 2 is what, children? 16. Nothing is there means 1. Double means what? 2. Now we'll just cross check it whether the equation is balanced or not. 2K, 2K. 2Mn, 2Mn. 4 2s are 8 atoms of oxygen. 8 1s are 8. Now 16 into 1, 16 hydrogen. 8 2s are 16 hydrogen. Right. Now finally chlorine. 16 1s are 16. Right. Right hand side. 2 into 1 is what, children? 2. 2 2s are what, children? 4. 5 2s are what, children? 10. 2 plus 4 plus 10 is what, children? 16. Okay. Now the equation is balanced. Okay, children. Hope you have understood this method of balancing the equation. Thank you very much, children. Namaste.